Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's requested video, we are talking about Instagram. And I'm going to show you 10 tips to grow your Etsy business Instagram page and how to turn visitors into actual customers. So if you want to learn more about how to grow your Instagram growth, brand awareness, and drive customers back to your Etsy business, make sure that you watch all the way till the end. Now, if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel and you want to learn how to grow an impactful online business, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel today. I do upload weekly videos to help you. Don't forget to show me some love by liking this video and leaving a comment below. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. So the first tip in growing your Instagram page in order to drive more traffic to your Etsy business is your profile. Making sure that you have the 3 W's in your profile. So the 3 W's are who you are, what do you do, and why should people follow you? So this is my actual Instagram account that I'll be using as an example today. And I'm an Etsy coach. I help Etsy sellers grow their shop. I have free to Etsy tutorials, and then I have the link. So that's me telling people, hey, I am an Etsy coach. I help people grow their Etsy business. And if you want more information, I actually have free tutorials. Essentially, that's what you want to do for your niche. It doesn't matter what you sell. You could sell vintage, you could sell jewelry, or you could sell dog products. You should be able to explain. So when people stop at your profile, this is the first thing that they see. And you should be able to explain in short, sweet, concise what you do, why should they follow you, and who you are. It's really important. That way they know who you are, and then they take an interest in engaging with your posts and hopefully following you at that given moment. The next thing is providing links or a link. So for me, I have info@Badillo. This is my email. So if anybody has questions or concerns or inquiries, they could reach out directly here. I also have a program I use, which is called Later. And with Later, you're able to use hyperlinks to different posts that you promote on your Instagram page. So let's say they're in my page right now and they see this video down here. They want to know more about Etsy shop critique, or they want to know about, let's say, this one here, Pinterest tips. But this is from a couple weeks ago. All they have to do is click my bio link, and it takes them to this page. And here, they could literally select the video that they want to watch. So if they wanted to watch this one, how to find and manage your time, they could click here, and it's going to take them directly to that particular video. This is really, really great when it comes to promoting your products or services. You could do this for your Etsy listings. Let me turn this off. So you could do that for your Etsy listings. You could have all these beautiful products and services that you sell, and if somebody likes a particular one, they could click on the link up here. They could find that particular product and go directly to that page. That's really, really cool. It is a paid service, but sometimes you do have to spend money to make money. So just keep that in mind. I will link later on the bottom link on the comment section, if you guys are interested in looking at it or signing up for it. But it's really, really neat to be able to have somebody click and then go to that particular post that they're interested in learning more. Also having additional links. So maybe telling people, hey, you could DM me for any questions, or here's my email. Just telling people, hey, there's different ways you could contact us as a business. The next one is scheduling. Being consistent is the key. I did a video a couple weeks ago that I talked about. I usually get about 20 to 30 new subscribers per day or new followers on Instagram. And when I started posting more consistently and I started doing 3 to 4 posts per day, my followers have increased drastically. I went from 20 to 30 to getting about 130 per day, anywhere between 100 to 130 per day. And that has helped me scale my Instagram following quickly. I reached 52,000 subscribers 6 days ago. And in 6 days, I have already gained 600 new followers. So that shows you that if you do post on a consistent basis, it does help. Now, is it very time consuming? Yes, it can be. But what I use is I use the scheduler, which is called Later, that I was talking about, which is the same company that lets you put the link in bio. And I schedule everything out, and that helps. Occasionally, I might do a post at that given moment, but 90% of my posts are scheduled, and that helps me with my time management. So I highly recommend having some type of scheduling program. The next thing is making sure that you make it user friendly. When people are browsing your profile, make it as simple as possible for them to know who you are, how they could, contact you if they have to, or just click here to learn more about the Etsy store. Just make it very simple. If you want to send traffic just to your Etsy store and just leave it like that, then do that. But just make it very simple and user friendly. That way people are not confused at what they're buying or what they're looking at. The next one is making sure that you are keeping in mind your brand. It's important that as an Etsy seller that you're consistently branding your photos with your logo or your brand, whoever you are, right? So like mine is Nancy Badillo. As you guys can see, I have branding there, I have branding there, I have it here. Another reason why you want to do that is because if someone shares your photo and gives you credit, it's better if you have your branding there, because then people know where the photo is actually coming from what account, especially if they're interested in buying your products and services, or if that person used your photo but they forgot to tag you correctly. Maybe they tagged you but didn't tag you correctly. So branding is really important. This is how you grow your business. So you want to make sure that you are branding your photos all the time. Another thing is keeping in mind brand identity, right? So making sure that you have a cohesive look. This is my cohesive colors. These are my branding colors here that I use for everything. And then I use this type of template for everything as well. And people are starting to recognize that this is from my actual Instagram page, right? And I use this same style on my Pinterest. I use the same style on my YouTube channel. So it's very cohesive across different platforms, not only Instagram. So making sure that all your photos are cohesive, that they look like they're coming from the same person. It's really, really important. When people start recognizing you as a brand, that's when your business actually grows. It's almost like if you saw a picture of Starbucks, you'll know that's from Starbucks, or you'll know it's from Walmart, etc. So making sure that you have a cohesive look is really, really important. And I wanted to show you examples of different Etsy stores that have beautiful Instagram accounts. So this is one of them. They do wedding decors. They do like ring boxes and other stuff for weddings. And look how beautiful this is. First of all, they have a really nice bio. They have worldwide shipping, which is really important for many people. They have their Etsy store there. And their photos are very cohesive. They're very beautiful. And this is a card box. This is for your rings, for people getting married. I mean, it's just very, very beautiful. Look at this. They have a flower inside of it. This one, you could put a picture and other beautiful mementos in it. But it's just having that cohesive look. If somebody saw this one and this one and this one, they would think, oh, this is all coming from the same store. This is another store. They sell unique ceramics. They have their Etsy store here, and they have beautiful ceramics. Look at how cute these are. I love these, especially with all the cats. But their photos are very consistent. They're very cohesive. They all look like it's coming from the same store, and just beautiful work. And this is another store here. They actually sell vintage, retro, and designs. They have free worldwide delivery, which is really good. They have free bulbs. They have their Etsy store here. So they have enough information that people know exactly what this company sells. And their photos are very cohesive. If I saw this photo here and I saw that one and I saw that one, I would think it's coming from the same store because it has the same aesthetic behind it, basically. And look at this. Just amazing. They do a really good job with their photos. And this is another one here. It's called Ceramic Sense. And it's a pottery studio. And you could shop for her work here by clicking on Etsy. And look at how beautiful her work is. Look at this, how cute. I need that for my desk. Look at this one. Look at this one. How beautiful. This is really adorable. But look at this. It's very cohesive. Very beautiful photos. And it's all brand related, which is great. This is another one, Avenue Studios. She's an illustrator and she makes quirky lettering stuff that puts a smile on your heart. Even her logo and her Instagram highlights are all match, which is really nice. And she has a mixture of quotes, mixture of her work. As you guys can see, she is a brand, right? Because her name is right here. So she has more pictures of who she is as a person. I'm assuming this is her birthday. That's important. When you are the brand, you have to introduce yourself to your audience and include yourself in the audience. Well, look how cool her Instagram account is. It's very cohesive, and that's ultimately what you want. This is another one. She's a felt maker, and it's a small business with her and her husband, and they make cat beds, slippers, cloud pillows from natural wool. It's very unique. Look how beautiful these are for cats. Look at how cool. They have shoes, they have purses, and it's very cohesive. She has pictures of her working on her projects. She has another picture of her, I believe her and her husband right here. So this showcases her work, showcases who she is. Look at how cute they are. But ultimately, this is what you want, cohesiveness. And then this is one of my favorite stores. I have purchased from them before, Mod Party. And this is a lot of the stuff that they sell is for, they sell like gifts and decors and favors for birthdays, weddings, baby showers, and bridal showers. And again, very cohesive, very feminine, very cute and fun. The pictures are very nice. They're optimized correctly for Instagram. That's another big thing. Making sure your photos are not getting cut off. But look at how beautiful this is. And when you read their profile, you know exactly what they sell. And then they also have this feature here is called Linktree, which is free to use, guys. And you're able to link different links. So they have their Instagram, they have shop gifts for her, for bridesmaid, and they have it in sections. That's pretty smart. So they put their categories here. And when you click it, it takes you to that particular section of their store. See? Bridesmaids gift. And then they have all the gifts right here. And that's really, really unique way to take your customers directly at what they're looking for, which is one of the key points that I talked about earlier, making it as user-friendly as possible. If you offer a discount and you say, hey guys, you want to sign up for my email to get 10% off, have the link right here that says sign up for email here to get 10%, and make it as user-friendly as possible, because people get really frustrated, and if they can't find it, they're not going to like take the time to look for it. So just keep that in mind, and they have done an exceptional job with that. But these are different examples. I just wanted to show you guys different examples of different things besides my account that are doing a really good job with their Instagram account. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys have any questions about Instagram, the growth of your accounts, or anything that you're stuck on that you can't get past off. And thank you guys so much for watching.